In this problem, we are given x square plus y square plus xy minus 19 equals 0, x square plus y square minus xy minus 7 equals 0. We have to solve these two system of equations. If we notice, there's actually some similarity between these two equations. There is x square, there's y square, and there is plus xy and minus xy in both the equations. Right? If we just add both of them, then this xy and xy will cancel, right? If we just subtract one from the other, this x square plus y square will vanish, right? We'll be left with xy, right? In one of these operations, we'll be left with x square plus y square, and one of the other operations will be left with xy. That's how we can solve this. Let's see how. If we add these two equations, right, then xy and xy will get cancelled. 19 plus 7 will become 26. So 2 times x square plus y square will become 26 and x square plus y square becomes 13. Once you subtract, this x square and y square will go away. You'll be left with 2xy. 2xy becomes 19 minus 7, which becomes 12. Right, so that means xy equals 6. 2xy is 12. We know x square plus y square equals 13, 2xy equal 12. That means we know x plus y whole square. We also know x minus y whole square. Why? X plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. That is 13 plus 12, which is 25. So x plus y becomes plus or minus 5. Similarly, x minus y whole square becomes 13 minus 12. Right? Because x minus y whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. That is 13 minus 12, which becomes 1. So that means x minus y is plus or minus 1. We have x plus y plus or minus y and x minus y plus or minus 1. That means we have four combinations, right? X plus y can be plus or minus 5. X minus y can be plus or minus 1. So that means x plus y 5, x minus y 1, x plus 5y, x plus y 5, x minus y minus 1, here minus 5 1, minus 5 minus 1. These are the four sets. Right. If we solve this, 2x becomes 6, x equals 3, and y automatically becomes 2. In this set, 2x is 4, x equals 2, y equals 3, because 2 plus 3 is 5. In this set, 2x equals minus 4, x equals minus 2, and y equals minus 3. Similarly, x equals minus 3 in this, and y equals minus 2. So we have 3, 2, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. That is the solution. We have four solutions for this two equations. Right, guys? This is a simple problem. Right. The only trick is to add both of them and to add and subtract these two. Then we get x square and y square, x square plus y square and 2xy. Rest all is straightforward. Thank you, guys.